Hi guys, it's Nunu, and we are here, of course, in English 127 Creative Writing. This is my week 7 greeting from Nunu. Okay, before I detail what we're going to do this week, I want to remind you that I'm in Conferzoom, which is right over here in the left menu. I'm in Conferzoom, and I keep office hours in my general classroom building 210D from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays, of course. Okay, so here is our new window motif, and we are going to look out the window in discussions about stories written by Curtis Sittenfeld and, of course, the incomparable Joyce Carol Oates. Okay, so we are in week 7 in modules, March 18th through the 24th. I can access Sittenfeld's and Oates' stories here in modules in the left menu. And modules, as you'll recall, is our Bible to the classroom. It contains all our assignments and our readings. However, I think I'm going to click on the handy link I created right here to get into discussion 5, Sittenfeld and Oates. So I'm going to click here. And this takes me into week 7, discussion 5, and I am here. Okay. So we have a part 1 and a part 2 I want to remind you about, and also a timeline. If you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, I am right here. All right, let's have a good week.